Lecture for S2B Com CA and Corporation. We are looking into some of the problems which comes under the page number 2.28. So first question is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 and B is equal to 7, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you need to find A minus B and A plus 2B. So first thing that it should come into your mind is whether these metrics are of same order in order to carry out this operation. So it is of same order. Okay, so this is a 3 by 3 matrix as well as B is also a 3 by 3 matrix. So you can find what is A minus B. So let's compute what is A minus B. So A minus B is equal to 1 minus 7, 2 minus 9, 3 minus 10 and 4 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 9 minus 5, 10 minus 6. Now what will be the answer? The answer will be minus 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then we have minus 7, 3, 4. Then minus 7 again, 3 and 4. So this is the answer for A minus B. Now in this question it asks you to find A plus 2B. So in order to find 2B, what you have to do is you have to multiply 2 with all the elements of matrix B. So 2B means you are multiplying the particular matrix with a scalar, that is an element 2. So 2 should be multiplying with all the elements of the matrix B. So 2B will be equal to, let's find what is 2B. 2 times of B. So 2B is equal to 2B equals 2 times 7 we have 14, 2 times 9 it is 18, 2 times 10 it is 20 and 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12. So this is 2B. Now next you have to find what is A plus 2B. So we know that the matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Adding with 14, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So the value will be 1 plus 14 is 1 plus 14, 2 plus 18, 3 plus 20, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 7 plus 8, 9 plus 10 and 10 plus 12. So the resultant answer will be 15, 6, 15, 20, 9, 19, then we have 23, 12 and 22. Then we will close it with the square bracket. So this is how we need to find what is A plus 2B. So 2B means matrix is multiplied with a scalar value, that is 2. That is 2 times elements of matrix B. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's see the next question. So the next question is, So the next question is, if A is equal to 6, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 2, B is equal to 3, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 5. Find what is AB. So what we have to do is we have to check the order of the matrix and see whether the first matrix number of rows is equal to second matrix number of columns. So it is a 2 by 3 matrix. This is a 2 by 3 matrix and this one is a 3 by 2 matrix. So from this it is clear that number of here the number of rows, this is number of columns and this is number of rows and number of columns. So C equal to R. So the resultant matrix will be of 2 by 2 matrix. Resultant is a 2 by 2 matrix and matrix multiplication is possible. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we'll be taking this particular row. We'll be taking this particular row, this row, multiplying the whole elements of this column. Okay, so this is our first column. So multiplying the first row with the first column. So A into B is equal to 6 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So next we are going to multiply the same row with the second column. Same row with the second column. So it is 6 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 4 into 5. Now, we'll be considering this particular row now. This particular row multiply with the first column, multiplying with the first column. This row multiplying with the first column, that is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 4. And the second one is same row is multiplying with the second column. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 2 into 5. So the answer will be 18 plus 4 plus 16, 3 plus 4 plus 8, 12 plus 8 plus 20, 2 plus 8 plus 10. So the result will be equal to 38, this is 40, then we have 15 and 20. This is the answer. So first thing you have to keep in mind is first row multiplying with the first column, then the same row multiplying with the second column makes the second element. Then taking the next row with the first column, next row with the second column. This is how we got the resultant matrix. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's take another example. So in this question, we are going to find a matrix of 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 4, 3. You need to find AB and BA. You need to find what is AB and BA and show that AB is equal to BA. So let's find what is AB. So AB is equal to, this is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So the resultant matrix will be a 2 by 2 matrix as well. So this row multiplying with this column. So 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4. Then 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3. Then this row, taking this row. So minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4. Then minus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3. So which gives an answer? Which gives an answer? 3 minus 8 minus 6 minus 4, 4 plus 6 minus 8 plus 3. So which is equal to minus 5 minus 10, 10 minus 5. So we got the answer minus 5, 10, minus 10, minus 5. Now let's see what is BA. Let's compute what is BA. In order to find BA, what I'm going to do is I'll be rewriting the whole matrix again so that I won't get confused with the matrix. So I'll write B first, that is 3, 4, minus 4, 3, multiplying with 1, 2, minus 2, 1. So initially considering the first row with the first column. This is the first column, this is the second column. So the answer will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Then we have minus 4 into 1 plus 3 into minus 2. Then we have minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So the value will be, it won't be much efficient, sufficient space over here. So I'm writing it over here. So the result will be 3 minus 8 minus 4 minus 6, 6 plus 4 minus 8 plus 3. So the answer is minus 5, minus 10, 10, minus 5. So hence AB equals BA. Both the answers are correct. So hence AB is equal to BA. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. So in this question, it is asked to find a particular matrix which satisfy a square minus 5a plus 7i equals 0. Please take care of the expression. Please consider the expression again. A square minus 5a plus 7i equals 0. So I represent the identity matrix. I represents the identity matrix. Okay. I is our identity matrix. Then A square means you are multiplying this particular matrix A twice. And 5a means a scalar value 5 is multiplying with all the elements of the matrix A. Okay, now let's find what is A square. So you can write A square is same as A into A. A multiply with A again. So I'll write the matrix A, that is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Again multiplying with 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So let's compute. This row multiplied with this column first. So it is 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Okay. Next, the same row multiplying with the second column. This is the second column and this is the first column. Now, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Okay. Then, minus 1 into 3. That is our first column. And 2 into minus 1. Then, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So the value will be 9 minus 1, 3 plus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 plus 4. So the value is 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. So the value of A square is 8, 5, minus 5, 3. So I'm going to write the A square value over here because I might have to rub this off. So 8 square is 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. Okay. Now let's compute what is 5a. What is 5a? So 5a means multiplying the number 5 with all the elements of matrix A. So that is 15. 3 times 5, 15. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. So we got 5a as 15. 5 minus 5, 10. Now 7i means this is I of order 2. So we get the diagonal element 7, 0, 0, 7. Now what we have to do is we need to, when we subtract a square minus 5a plus 7i, we should get the answer 0. Okay, let's compute what is a square. So a square was, so here it is 8, 5, minus 5, 3, subtracting 15, 5, minus 5 and 10. Putting this particular elements in the matrix. So you will get the answer as minus 7, 5, minus of minus 5 is 0. Then 5 minus of minus 5. Minus 5, minus of minus 5 is 0. Then 3 minus 10 is 7, minus 7. Okay. Now we have to add this with 7 of I. So I'm going to add with 7 of I. So we'll get 7, 0, 0, 7. So minus 7 plus 7 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 again. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So we got the resultant matrix as 0. So whenever this question comes, what you have to find is you need to find the a square. So a square is similar to a into a. So once you found the a square, The next variable is a scalar matrix. So you need to multiply the 5 with all the elements of the matrix A. With all the elements of matrix A. Now, this 7i, whenever there is an I means it is an identity matrix, and make sure that what type of matrix or what is the order of the matrix. Since it is a 2 by 2 matrix, the identity is of order 2. If it is a 3 by 3 matrix, the identity will be of order 3. If it is a 4 by 3 matrix, then it will be order 4. So, since this is a 2 by 2 matrix, the identity matrix of order 2. So, instead of 1, we will be multiplying the particular 1 with the 7. Okay. So, identity matrix of order 2 is 1, 0, 0, 1. So, when multiplying with 7, it will be 7, 0, 0, 7. Okay. So, next is A square. This is our A square. Subtracting with a 5a, then the resultant value is added with 7 of 5, and we got the answer as 0 0, which is a null matrix. So the result is also a 0. This is how we have to show the particular matrix satisfies this equation or not. Hope these problems are very clear for you. If it is so, what will be the answer for Suppose this is your question. The question asked you to find. Let f of s is x square minus 5x plus 6. Find f of a if a is a matrix of 3 by 3. Okay. In this case, what you have to do, instead of x, you have to put the alphabet a. So, we write the expression f of a as f of a will be changing from a square minus 5a plus 6. This 6 should be changed to 6 of I. And since this is a 3 by 3 matrix, this should be of order I3. Now you have to find what is the value. So, say we got A is equal to this. The matrix A is given. So, we need to find what is A square. So, A square will be A into A. So, that is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Again, writing it again. 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. So, the value will be this row multiplying with this column first, then this column and the third column. So, the answer will be 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Next is 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Then 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. You are supposed to show all the steps which is required. If not, you won't get the marks for steps. So, make sure that you are writing all the steps. Then, considering the second row that is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Then 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. So next is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. And the third row will be considering this one, that is 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Then 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. Then we have 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. So the answer will be 4 plus 1, 5. And here 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is 7. And 2 minus 2, 0, that is 0. This is 9. 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is 9. Then we have 0 over here. Then 0 plus 0 minus 1. So minus 1. 0 plus 1 minus 3. So minus 2. 0 minus 1, 0. So it is minus 1. Then 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Then we have 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So this is a square. Now what will be 5a then? So 5a means multiplying all the elements of matrix A with element 5. So it will be 10, 0, 5, 10, 1, 3, 15, then we have 5 minus 5, then 0. Then 6 of I3 means 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Okay, now let's compute what is the value. So a square is 5 minus 1, 2, 9, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So this is a square. A square minus 5a is 10, 0, 5, 10, 1, 15, 5, minus 5, 0. So let's compute what is the value. So 5 minus 10 is minus 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3, minus 10, minus 5, 4, then minus 2. I forgot to multiply this with 5. So it is 5. But it is 5. So changes occur over here as well. So it is 5. So this will be minus 7. Okay, so minus 7, 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 7, minus 10, 5, minus 5, 4, minus 2. Then we are adding with the 6. So 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0.00006. So the answer will be, I'll write it over here. So I'll write the answer over here. So it will be 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10. Then it is minus 5, 4, 4. So this is the answer. So the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i will be 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10, then minus 5, 4 and 4. So whenever such functions occurs, whenever the function is given f of x is equal to some expression, if you are asked to find what is f of a, what you have to do is, instead of x you put the value a over here, change the particular s expression in terms of a. So it will be f of a is equal to a square minus 5a plus 6i. Why I represent the value 3 over here? Because A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So identity matrix should be of order 3. Hope this is clear for you. So what you have to do, first step is you need to compute what is A square, what is 5A, then what is 6I. Once you got all this value computed, you just put the expression according to and find the value. Okay. Hope this is clear for you, and if you have any doubt, you can ask during the online interaction session. Thank you.